Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an old person you know who has had an interesting life. You should say, who is this person? Where does she live? What has done in her life? And explain how you feel about him/her. My maternal grandfather is one elderly person I know who has led an incredibly interesting life. He is currently in his early 80s and goes by the name Mr. Surjit Singh. He has lived in the same home for the majority of his adult life in Amritsar, Punjab. His life is fascinating not only because of his age, but also because of the type of trip he has taken, one that has been filled with hardships, successes, and worthwhile experiences. He still recalls the effects of the 1947 partition of India, having been born in 1942, during the latter years of British control in India. His family lost nearly everything when they were forced to relocate from what is now Pakistan. He persisted in his studies in spite of these obstacles, eventually enlisting in the Indian Army. During his more than 2 decades of service, he was stationed in challenging locations such as Siachen and the Indochina border. His accounts from the battlefield during the 1971 conflict are heartwarming and heroic. He didn't settle for a tranquil existence after leaving the service. He went on to become a school administrator, where he influenced the lives of hundreds of kids for over 15 years. Many of his former pupils still visit him now to express their gratitude for the morals and discipline he taught them. In addition to his professional life, he has a great family life. He instilled strong moral principles and discipline in all 4 of his children, including my mother. He is also an excellent storyteller, and his historical tales are consistently replete with wisdom and life lessons. I have a great deal of respect and admiration for him. For me, he is a living history book. Having someone like him in my life who has witnessed so many significant historical occurrences and made a significant contribution to society makes me feel immensely fortunate. His bravery, accountability, and unwavering perseverance motivate me every day. In conclusion, I am honored to be my grandfather's grandson. He is more than just an elderly man with gray hair. He is a person who has lived a life full of meaning, resiliency, and purpose.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success. And if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.